Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to turn a regular form into a fillable PDF in 2025. Whether you're a student, a business pro, or just someone who deals with paperwork, this skill will save you tons of time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother with fillable PDFs? In 2025, digital documents are everywhere. They're eco-friendly, easy to share, and reduce errors from handwritten forms. To get started, you'll need a basic form document, like one created in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Step 1. Open your form in a PDF editor. Adobe Acrobat is the gold standard, but if you're on a budget, free tools like PDF Escape or Small PDF work great too. Upload or import your file into the software. Step 2. Look for the Prepare Form, or Form Editing, tool. This feature will scan your document and suggest fields automatically, but you can customize them as needed. Step 3. Add your interactive elements. For text entries, use the Text Field tool. For multiple choices, add radio buttons or drop-down menus. And don't forget checkboxes for yes, no options. Make sure to label everything clearly to guide users. Step 4. Customize the fields. Set properties like making certain fields required, adding validation for emails or numbers, and even including default values. This ensures your form is user-friendly and error-proof. Step 5. Once you're happy, save your file as a PDF form. Test it by opening it in a free PDF reader like Adobe Reader or even your browser. Fill it out yourself to catch any issues. A quick tip. Always optimize for mobile devices since more people are using tablets and phones in 2025. And remember, keep your design simple to avoid overwhelming users. There you have it. Your form is now fillable and ready to go. This method works across platforms, making it versatile for any situation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.